didn't make sense for me to be brought to that facility and not to have been very quickly released.
She says she was stuck in a Pasco County mental health facility for 7 days. And she believes that money, not medicine, was the reason she was kept there.
8 on your side, investigator Brittany Muller joins us in studio live tonight. Brittany, the patient says this all started with a prescription problem. Is that right?
Stacey, Keith, that is right. Kathryn MacKenzie says she needed her medication adjusted, but a trip to a local ER turned into a 7-day stay at North Tampa Behavioral Health Hospital in Wesley Chapel. The company that owns the hospital tells 8 on your side they never make decisions for financial reasons. MacKenzie doesn't believe it. Kathryn MacKenzie says the very sight of North Tampa Behavioral Health Hospital brings back terrible memories.
The perception of the outside, it almost looks like a resort. And on the inside, it's the total opposite. Takari.
In August 2020, the veteran social worker had just moved to Tampa Bay to take on a new job. MacKenzie suffers from bipolar disorder, but says the condition was well regulated for years with the right prescriptions. She says she was having an issue with her medication and didn't yet have a local psychiatrist to consult. So she went to a Pasco County ER for help. The staff referred her to another local facility instead.
Because I was just continuously being told that it was not a Baker Act. And then I did go into the transport and was taken to another facility.
MacKenzie was transported to North Tampa Behavioral Health Hospital in Wesley Chapel off State Road 56. She says she told the hospital's intake staff that she was not suicidal and that she had even been at work earlier that same day without any problems. Despite that, she was admitted. Her stay soon stretched into the next day and the next, into 7 days that MacKenzie says she was held at the hospital against her will.
And you said that you weren't in crisis, though, so why were you being held in this facility?
We strongly feel that my insurance was the primary purpose to continue my stay.
Records show the hospital billed MacKenzie's insurance $2,300 per day. And while her insurance paid the bill, MacKenzie paid a price too. She says she was just 4 weeks away from being vested with the state of Florida, but lost her job because of her week at the hospital.
At the end of the day, it came out to be over $13,000 that they got out of the week.
That's a lot of money.
Yes, ma'am.
On top of missing work?
I lost my job.
Court records show that MacKenzie was released after her family hired an attorney, that a judge hearing her case ordered the hospital to discharge her immediately. North Tampa Behavioral Health Hospital is owned by Acadia Healthcare. A recent investigation by the New York Times found that the Tennessee-based company operates more than 50 psychiatric hospitals nationwide and raised questions about the reasons that patients were held. The for-profit mental health chain is currently valued at $7 billion. MacKenzie later sued Acadia for false imprisonment. A confidential settlement was reached last year, but she says that memories of her stay still haunt her. 8 on your side wanted to ask Acadia about MacKenzie's allegations. A spokesperson told us the company does not comment on patient treatment due to privacy regulations, but they shared this statement with us, reading in part. Decisions on patient care, including how long treatment may be necessary, are never business decisions. They're medical decisions made by licensed physicians and care clinicians in accredited, regulated healthcare facilities based on medical necessity and associated legal requirements. MacKenzie disagrees.
I think that they were doing the best they could to paint a picture of a need that just didn't exist.
Do you believe that this facility should still be operating?
Absolutely not.
Are you afraid to get help now?
Absolutely. I always will be.
You can find the full statement from Acadia Healthcare on our website, WFLA.com. Now, if you have had an experience with North Tampa Behavioral Health Hospital or another Acadia facility that you would like to share, give me a call or send me an email. We would like to hear from you.
Okay, so I think the hard part about this is people like MacKenzie, when they hear her story, they they might think twice about asking for help with a mental health issue. Does she have a message for people out there about this?
Stacey, she does. And MacKenzie says she realizes that there's a stigma surrounding getting help for mental health care. And that's why she's sharing her story with us. MacKenzie says just because she's bipolar, it does not mean she's any less capable of holding a job and leading a great life. She tells me that she's a mother of two, raising two amazing kids, and she would not trade her life with anyone's.
All right. Thank you, Brittany.
Thanks.
And if you have a problem that needs solving, you better call Brittany because she can investigate it for you. There's the 8 on your side helpline number. It's 1-800-338-0808.